Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see IEC 62056 standard which is used for smart meters. When it comes to IEC 62056, this protocol is used for electricity metering data exchange. Like whenever we want to share the data exchange from smart meters, we use this protocol 62056. In this protocol there comes two terms. One is DLMS and second is COSEM. So DLMS is device language message specification and COSEM is comparison specification for energy metering. It comes under transport and application layer. What are these things? So before seeing that, we need to know 7-layer OSI model. You can Google it and we can see there are different types of layers of data communication. And here there are two layers, transport layer and application layer. And this thing, COSEM, is a part of transport and application layer. DLMS contain 4 types of books. It is green book, blue book, yellow book and white book. Basically, green book tells about architecture protocol, blue book COSEM classes and OBIS, yellow book DLMS COSEM testing process and white book glossary. So now let's see properly the DLMS COSEM model. So basically, what is our DLMS COSEM model? So when we see our DLMS COSEM, it has 3 terms: modeling, the messaging and transporting. So modeling tells the interface of model of metering and rules for data identification. So when we try to model our smart meters, we need to define some rules. Like everything has to be work on rule. That's why it should be proper, right? So modeling has to be there, rules has to be there in the modeling and interface model of metering. Then comes our messaging. Messaging is to map to the application layer protocol. Now what we have to do is that interface model is there, that will map to the application layer of our 7-layer OSI model, right? Then comes our transporting, covers transportation of messages. Like there will be something, some reading or something we will get here in smart meters that need to be transported to some other location. That comes in the transporting. Then comes connection oriented operation. There are basically 3 phases of connection oriented operation. First is application level connection, which comes under AA, because whenever we want to send some data to somewhere, so we are having a client and there is a server. We are requesting something from server, so we will make one application level connection to the server. Now then there will be a message exchange. Now server will say, okay, I will send you this message. At the end of the data exchange, AA is released. So he will release AA after the end of the message connection. That is the connection oriented operation between the client and the server. So this is about IEC 62056. Now let's begin with the wireless sensor network. So whenever it comes with the wireless sensor network, we say that it's a low cost, rapid deployment, parallel processing, remote monitoring and fault diagnosis it provides. And wireless sensor network is a special type of ad hoc network composed of large number of sensor nodes spread over a large area. Okay. So whenever we talk about wireless sensor network, it consists of basically 3 types of components. First is our sensor, second is our sensor node, third is our sensor network. Sensor node is a physical phenomena which converts some physical signals like if you see our temperature sensor or if you see our humidity sensor, so we can basically see DHT11 sensor, okay, right? So it sends some physical quantity like our temperature and humidity and convert that to the electrical signals. That is our sensor. Then comes our sensor node. It's a basic unit of sensor network which contains onboard sensors, processors, memory, transceivers and the power supply. Then comes sensor network. Sensor network is a large number of sensor nodes deployed inside or close to the sensor phenomenon. Sensor network, large number of sensor nodes. And what is sensor node? It's a large number of sensors, right? That is all about wireless sensor network components. So wireless sensor node, when we talk about, it has one sensing phenomenon where it consists of sensors and ADCs, processing unit where for collaboration and for storage, transceivers to connect the node to the network, the power unit to give the supply to the system, location finder unit, like this is our system, entire system, and there are so many buses. So what we need to know is where that meter is installed. For that, location finding is there, mobilizer to move the sensor node. Like if we need to move it to somewhere else, so what we have to use? We have to use mobilizer for that. Characteristic for wireless sensor network. It's a low power, limited memory, small size, energy constraints, low cost, and the battery power nodes. Thank you.